Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at another Biasi today. They contacted me over the WhatsApp and they said that it's leaking and now unfortunately there's no central heating or hot water. As it's been leaking, obviously due to the leak, right, the pressure goes down. So if the pressure goes down, then they got no heating or hot water. But they sent me some pictures and they said that it's leaking from here. So basically it's a cartridge, diverter valve cartridge. So I had a pretty good idea of what we need. Bought a cartridge with me, and in this film we're just gonna fit the cartridge in. And one of these cartridges is the first time I've ever done it, so I'm gonna figure out how to open it up and get it out. But I think it's simple anyway. Now guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now some of these cartridges, right, they just got a clip on them, they clip in. But this one was screwed in, it's got threading on it. So I'm going to be ultra careful and slowly open it. The last thing I want to do is crack it or break it. And then it's going to be a mission to get the cartridge out. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Biasi, Worcester, Bosch, Vaillant and many more. We also do Landlord Gas Safety Certificates, boiler servicing. We also repair Gledhill boilers too, Y plans, S plans, water tank systems. So don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Now there's a clip, right? It's connecting the diverter valve to the cartridge. So I'm gonna switch the camera off, and I'm gonna need two hands for that. Now I'm just tightening with my hand. It's hand tight. I'm gonna connect everything on, repressurize it, and if it leaks, then I'm gonna use a spanner and tighten it even further. But if it doesn't leak, then it's fine. water off. Water on. Okay, that spindle's working fine now. Okay, on. Right, that's fine. Yeah, let's switch the water off. I'm going to switch the water back on from here, in case I forget. Leave concentrating. Right guys, sorted this Biasi out. Diverter valve cartridge was leaking in it. I've changed that and it's all working fine. Because of that cartridge, the central heating wasn't working. So, and the pressure was dropping down to zero. They had to refill it to get hot water as well. So anyway, changed the diverter valve and cartridge and it's all working fine now. Central heating and hot water. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham boiler fix. Right, central heating is working fine now. Good. And the pipe is nice and warm now, the flow. And let's check test the hot water out. Oh, that's warming up as well. That's warming up as well. That's warming up as well. Okay.